The placebo effect is usually stronger on children than on adults. Kids don't question things as much as grown-ups, but often believe very strongly the things they're told. This is observed, for instance, in cases where a child hurts his knee and the parents blow on it and say it will be all better. Soon the pain is gone. Another example is a comic book hero's picture in a band-aid designed for kids. Examined physiologically, the picture of the comic book character in the band-aid has nothing to do with the healing of a wound, but when the child sees the picture, his wound heals faster than when using a band-aid without one. It's about the positive effect of the pro-healing meaning assigned by the child. When the belief in healing is strong, you can see it positively in healing results. However, what's to be considered in the placebo effect is that it's not about age, but what kind of meaning you assign, for example, to a placebo pill, and how strongly you believe in you being healed. An American by the name Jennifer Butler has invented a placebo pill which anyone can buy for their children. The pill's name is Obicalp, which is placebo in reverse. It is available in different flavors. It contains no medically pro-health material. The idea is that as a kid experiences pain in his knee or wherever, the parents can administer one pill of Obicalp for the pain to leave his body. The effect is based on the kid's belief in the pill easing the pain. Jennifer says she designed the Obicalp pill when she noticed that just a hug and a kiss weren't enough to make the child's pain go away. Sometimes children may need something to feel better, even though an acute need for the pill may not be there. Another company has also been manufacturing placebo pills, which are sold in a bottle that includes a text, placebo. A bottle of this medication contains 700 small sugary pills and costs $20. And does a placebo medicine work if the person taking it is aware that it is a placebo? A study conducted by Professor Ted Kapchuk shows that placebos work even if the patient knew of it. In Kapchuk's study, the people who had ails in their intestines were administered a placebo. The bottle again included text revealing it was a placebo, and they were also told that it was a placebo which doesn't have any ingredient that would physiologically improve their health. Even so, 62% of the patients noticed their ailments easing noticeably. This was over 2 times more than another group in the study who weren't given a placebo. Linda Buonanno was one person participating in the study. She had suffered of ailments in her intestines for 16 years. At times, her troubles were so severe that she couldn't leave her home. Buonanno couldn't comprehend how on earth placebo pills could help her. The researchers told her the mind is stronger than matter. Buonanno started consuming the placebo pills daily. In 3 days, the symptoms she had suffered earlier, pain, cramps, swelling, diarrhea, had all vanished.